Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a legit way to make money online right from your phone, even without capital? Then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down how the Premise app works, how much you can realistically earn in Nigeria, and most importantly how to do it without wasting your time. Let's get right into it. Premise is a data crowdsourcing platform that pays users around the world, including in Nigeria, to complete simple tasks using their smartphones. These tasks include taking photos of products or places, answering short surveys, giving feedback on prices or services, reporting on events in your area. Basically, you're helping companies and organizations gather real-world info, and you're paid for it. Is it legit? Yes. Premise is a legit US-based company used by clients like NGOs, brands, and research organizations. Many users in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Kano, and beyond are getting paid directly to their bank account, Bitcoin wallet, or even mobile money, depending on your settings. The app is free and available on Google Play Store. How to sign up step by step. 1. Download Premise from Play Store. 2. Sign up using a valid email. 3. Allow location access, very important. 4. Set your payout method, for example Bitcoin or airtime. 5. Start browsing tasks in your area. Make sure your location is accurate so you can see local tasks around you. Type of tasks. You'll see two main types. Location-based tasks like snapping fuel stations, shops, price tags. Remote tasks like short surveys, product opinions, or basic research. Some tasks pay 100 naira to 1000 naira per submission, depending on complexity and location. Pro tip: focus on tasks with green dots, those are the easiest to complete. How much can you earn? Let's be honest, you won't become a millionaire, but active users report earning between 3000 naira, 8000 naira per week part-time, up to 15,000 naira per week if you're in cities with more tasks. This makes Premise great for students, job seekers, or anyone with free time and a smartphone. Red flags to avoid. Don't submit fake photos. Don't click on links claiming to offer extra money from Premise. Don't pay anyone to join, it's 100% free. If you follow the rules, you'll get paid consistently. Some risks to expect, but solvable. 1. Cash out issues. Multiple complaints on Reddit indicate delays and failures during PayPal withdrawals, often resolved over days or weeks of persistence. Some users report minimum thresholds increasing after sudden updates, making it harder to cash out. 2. Task availability drops. Users in some regions report a drastic decline in task availability over time. Once rich local tasks may disappear, leaving only low-paying surveys. 3. Low pay. Most tasks pay very little, often $0.05 to $1. You need significant volume to reach cash-out thresholds. In 2025, there's no reason to stay broke with your smartphone in hand. Try Premise. It's not a get-rich-quick, but it's a steady, legit side hustle. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more legit ways to earn online.